In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to delete a chat message in Webex. Whether you've sent a message you regret or simply made a typo, knowing how to remove it can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and learn how to do it effortlessly. First, open your web browser and navigate to webex.com. This is the official Webex website where you can access all the features of Webex, including messaging. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to gain access. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Webex homepage, which is your hub for all things collaboration. Next, look for the messaging tab. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen, among other options like meetings and calls. Click on the messaging tab, and this will lead you to your personal and team chat spaces. Here you can see all your current conversations, both one-on-one and group chats. You'll want to navigate to the chat where the message you wish to delete is located. Once you're in the messaging section, it's time to find the specific team or chat where the message was sent. You can do this either by scrolling through your list of conversations or using the search bar to type in the name of this person or team. When you find the correct chat, click on it to open the conversation thread. This will display all the messages exchanged with that team or individual, allowing you to easily locate the message you want to delete. Now, it's time to take action. Scroll through the chat until you find the message you wish to remove. Once located, hover your cursor over the message. You should see a small menu or a set of icons appear beside the message. Among these icons, look for the delete icon. It often resembles a trash bin or a small cross. Click on this delete icon and a prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the message. Make sure to read this prompt carefully, as removing a message might be irreversible depending on your organization's settings. Once you confirm, the message should disappear from the chat log, ensuring that it's no longer visible to anyone in the conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a chat message in Webex. This can be a handy way to keep your communications neat and tidy or correct any errors quickly. As a quick tip, remember that some organizations may have specific settings that affect message deletion. If you find you're unable to delete a message, it might be worth reaching out to your IT department or checking your team's communication policies. This simple guide has shown you how to delete a Webex chat message. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps again if you need to. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.